Hey guys, so I'm on my way to New Market. I'm actually waiting in the metro station right now, and the train is about to come, and I'm boarded. So I hope guys, you guys will enjoy this video. I'm super excited to make New Market content again for you guys. So yeah, let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel or welcome to the channel if this is the first time you are watching me। और आज का जो वीडियो है ये बहुत सिमिलर है एक वीडियो से जो आप लोगों ने बहुत रिक्वेस्ट करा था। इट्स अ सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ द 500 rupees challenge in New Market which I did with my sister. So instead of my sister, it's my friend today. Her name is Shiparna and our Instagram IDs will be displayed on the screen. So please follow us there and yeah, let's get started now. Okay, so I have bought this t-shirt in blue and it costed me 150 rupees. I got this top, it's really pretty, it's a camisole top and I got it for 50 rupees only. So I got this cute little mini dress, this is pure cotton, it's cute and I got it for rupees 150 only. And I got this cute little shorts, also this is for 150 rupees. तो आज अभी तक मेरे को कुछ पसंद ही नहीं आया, सो आई कुड नॉट बाय एनीथिंग अभी तक। आई एम लुकिंग फॉर शूज़ फर्स्ट क्योंकि मेरे पास कैश बिल्कुल भी नहीं है। पहले शूज़ देंगे फिर ड्रेस। तो या आई थिंक आई वांट टू बाय इंडियन दिस टाइम क्योंकि दिवाली भी आने वाला है, सो इट विल बी ईजियर। अभी मुझे बैग लेना है अपोजिट ऑफ मोस्टाच, इसके अपोजिट में यहाँ पे सबसे अच्छा कलेक्शन मिलता है, सो मैं यहीं पे बैग लेंगी। I got this really cute bag for 150 rupees only. It has got really cute sling and everything, so I'm really happy with the purchase. Guys, अभी तक कुछ मिला ही नहीं है। I think I will go and buy this शरारा set that I see one. तो वहाँ पे चलो चलते हैं। I will जल्दी से take it because कुछ मिल ही नहीं रहा है। ये क्या है?
ये भी कलर है।
और क्या भैया थोड़ा अलग कलर दिखाओ।
3 पीस मिल जाएगा प्लाजो सेट।
I finally got this शरारा set and it's for 500 पूरा। तो मेरा चैलेंज यहीं पे ख़त्म हो जाता है। I could not get any accessories or anything, but luckily I have some pieces at home, so I'm gonna make an outfit out of it and let's see कि Shiparna क्या करी है। But I think I am losing this challenge क्योंकि 500 में एक ही मिला, so that's what I have to take home now. So this is pretty, right? So guys, we are finally done shopping and I have not seen what she has bought and she has also not seen what I have bought. But we have come here together to eat something because we are very hungry और अभी लंच टाइम हो रहा है, it's almost 2:10 right now. तो अभी हम लोग खाएंगे and we are done pretty much. अभी घर जाके she'll show you what all she bought and I'll show you what all I bought. So you guys are judges, so do let me know in the comments below who won and who made better outfits. Yeah. Hi everyone, so let's start styling the products that I've bought from Esplanade. But let me give you guys a disclaimer that I was given 500 rupees to shop from, but me being me, I ended up buying products worth rupees 750, but all of them were so beautiful, so I mean I was just tempted. So let's get started with the video. Please excuse my messy room. So first of all, I'm so happy with this purchase. I cannot believe I got it for only rupees 50. I mean, oh my god, this top is so versatile. It looks casual but sexy, and I paired it with the shorts that I've already bought. So this was for rupees 50 and the short was for rupees 150. I'm so happy with it. It's a little bit too short, but I think I can manage. I picked up this really beautiful blue t-shirt. Now I love this color. This color is so pretty and the material is so soft. I can't believe I got it for rupees 150. This is really comfy, and again I paired it with the shorts. It's a very casual outfit, but at the same time it's very out there. So yeah. Now this is my favorite purchase of everything that I've bought today. So I'm just obsessed with this bag. This bag is so cute. I mean, just look at this. It's baby pink. It has got crocodile skin print all over it, and I got it for rupees 150. This was a steal. I just feel so sexy and so chic. I mean, I'm in just love with all the products I've got, and especially this has to be my favorite of all. With this bag, I can't get over it. This was for rupees 150, even this dress for rupees 150. For my accessories, I bought these pair of hoop earrings. These are really cute, very pretty, very dainty. You can pair it up with any outfit. It will, I think, even go with Indian outfit as well. This is very versatile, so I ended up getting this one for 100 rupees. So I hope you guys really enjoyed the way I styled all the pieces. So now I'm really excited to see what Ankana is doing. So come on, let's go. So guys, this is the outfit that I bought today, and मैं आपको full look दिखाती हूँ, but उसके पहले let me just tell you all कि ये जो earring है guys, ये मैंने न्यू मार्केट से लिया. हाँ, आज नहीं लिया, मैंने पहले लिया. I'm sure मैंने उसका भी वीडियो अपलोड किया ही होगा. But this was for 100 rupees जब भी मैंने ये लिया था, and it's quite long bag. I think 2 months तो हो गए होंगे. So this is an old earring, but it's from New Market only. But anyways, आज का तो नहीं है, आज यही 550 का था, तो I could not, you know, spend more. And I hope you guys will like this video. And अभी मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ full look. So guys, you must have seen Triparna's all the outfits that Triparna bought and my one and only outfit. So you guys are the judge. आप लोग please comment में नीचे बताओ कि किसका outfit ज़्यादा अच्छा था, किसने ज़्यादा अच्छे से challenge पूरा किया. I am very sure कि उसने ज़्यादा अच्छे से challenge पूरा किया है, क्योंकि उसने बहुत सारा outfit बनाया और मैंने बस एक ही बनाया है. But please do let us know in the comments below who did better. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. आप लोगों ने request करा था इसका part 2 बनाने के लिए. So here I was, and क्योंकि दिवाली था तो I bought Indian clothes. I know it will be harder for you all to choose from, but still let's see किसको ज़्यादा votes मिलते हैं. लास्ट वाला जो था वो मैंने मेरी सिस्टर के साथ किया था एंड काफ़ी इक्वल वोट्स थे. आज भी मेरे को कमेंट्स आते हैं उस वीडियो में एंड एवरी डे आई एम सुपर रिलेटेड टू रीड ऑल योर कमेंट्स. सो प्लीज गाइज कमेंट डाउन बिलो किसका ज़्यादा अच्छा था एंड आई विल सी यू सुपर सून इन माय वेरी नेक्स्ट वीडियो.